Hi, I'm Keiko. In this class, I'll show you how to embellish your hand lettering with beautiful flourishes. Flourishes can be intimidating, but I'll walk you through the basics of flourishing and show you step by step how and where to flourish, and also where not. We'll start with fun warm-up exercises, flourish our way through the lower and uppercase alphabet, embellish a few words, and in the end, we'll design a short quote. There are some rules to flourishing, but there's also a lot of freedom, and basically the sky is the limit, and I want you to experiment and have fun. I'm providing you with a big bundle of printable worksheets for the complete lower and uppercase alphabet and cheat sheets for different flourish shapes. If you don't have a printer, you can follow this class with just a pen, pencil, and any paper you have at hand. Are you ready for fancy flourishes? Okay, let's jump right in.